try this again. We're gonna get more berries and lure some turtles. So just videotape the water. See if you get that little fish.
Look at a feather. I will entertain you by looking at the water. Just look at the water. All dirty. Berries everywhere. And that's all over my finger. I'm really about to die. Just kidding. Andy, I think your nutter butter melted. There's a fish that's just frickin' gobbled up a berry, and now I'm really scared because there's a fish right there. Stupid fish, get out of here. Andy,
Yeah.
check your nutter butter.
It's not melted, I already checked.
Oh. Can I have some?
No.
It's good.
It's scared.
What? I saw a fish.
Was it a fish?
Yeah, it was a fish.
Just get it. Caught it. 2 turtles in a day. My highest is 28 turtles.
Really?
But that's because I jumped over the fence. Look at it.
It's trying to snap.
What happens if I put a leaf there? How does it know that I'm staying and then the grass is not?
Here, I'll put my finger up there.
No, don't.
Rawr.
Don't get scared.
It's gonna hiss at you.
This one's
This one can put its whole head in there.
can bite. Well, the first one didn't bite. Oh, it can put its
Whole head in there.
2 turtles.
Why my beanie
Yeah,
can
okay.
distract you. Turtle.
Let's see how fast it goes. Go. Move down.
I'm ready. On your marks. Get set. Go. Do-do-do-do-do.
Stop it.
To stop it, all you have to do is just pick it up.
Or put your hand on its shell.
You want that?
Like this. Come on, little fella. We're
That
gonna let you go in a little bit. Just wait. I did?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
Hey, turtle.
Oh, remember that time when Bailey threw a
Yeah.
turtle and it went and it just started floating?
Look at it. It wants to bite. Don't.
I'm trying to take the stuff off him.
Don't be scared, Lifo. Don't worry. Second turtle in the day.
How many did we get in one day?
2 so far.
No, in like a day. Like, what's your record?
28 turtles.
Oh yeah, because you just jumped.
Oh, there's another one. So cute.
Oh, that one's a baby.
Stop the video now.
You got the same one?